Springfield wakes to chaos as Homer loses the remote. Doe echoes from the couch cushions as Lisa investigates. Marge sighs, "Homer, please check under couch cushions again." In Springfield, the family debates at the Kwik-E-Mart lot. Residents chant remote rights, outside town hall, "Ay caramba." Bart experiments near Springfield Elementary, eyeballing the TV setup. Homer declares, "Woohoo, a crisis, I am needed," and rushes. Marge guides Lisa through chores, calming the angry Springfield crowd. Homer misplaces the remote in Moe's Tavern trash tonight. Chief Wiggum misreads the crowd, arrests air when speeches erupt. Meanwhile, Homer discovers the remote stuck in couch cushions. He returns it, mutters Doe, Springfield cheers, neighbors hug, resolve.